Hi, I'm Archie, your EduCat, and I think adding hyperlinks to your document is a nice, easy way to give your readers quick access to information via the internet or in another part of a document without having to include that content right on that specific page. In order to insert a hyperlink within your document, highlight the text or image you would like to link. Then, right-click on the selected text or image and select Link on the drop-down menu. From there, click the Insert Link command. In the Insert Hyperlink box that pops up, select Existing File or Web Page on the left. Type in or copy and paste the URL of the web page into the address field and click OK. And just like that, you've created that text into a hyperlink. If you want to add a hyperlink to a specific part of the same document, you first need to set up a bookmark to which you will link. Place your cursor where you want to insert the bookmark and switch to the Insert tab. Here, you need to click the Bookmark button. In the bookmark window that pops up, type the name you want for your bookmark and click Add. Now you have a bookmark set up. Select the text you want to turn into a link and repeat the steps you would do for inserting a web link. When you are in the Insert Hyperlink window, click the Place in Document option on the left. You will then be able to see a list of all the bookmarks within your document. Select the one you want and click OK. Now, whenever you click that link within the document, you'll be redirected to the bookmark section. Awesome! I've been Archie, your EduCat. See you next time for more tips and tricks.